Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try sky blue striped shirt with navy blue pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black printed shirt with black pants and blue loafers. Next you can try brown polo t-shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try red oversized t-shirt with black baggy jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try blue printed shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try tan oversized t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try sky blue checked shirt with grey baggy jeans and blue and white sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with blue and black funky jeans and green sneakers. Next you can try grey shirt and pants with black sandals. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with grey pants and black loafers. Watch this video to know 35 cargo pants outfit ideas.